Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a Ring camera battery. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is my Ring Spotlight Cam Battery Edition, and this is the charger that it came with, the charging cable that it came with, and this is a separate little power brick that I have from a different device. These are really the only things that you need, and obviously the battery is going to be in your Ring camera. Now, in order to take the battery out, I actually unmounted mine to show you how to do this. Now, your camera might be slightly different, but for the most part, there's going to be a battery compartment, and for the most part, you're going to have to press a button to remove the battery. So as you can see right here, I'm going to press this button like this. It opens up the battery compartment. There's a little bit of a lever here. You're going to press and hold this down, slide the battery out, and then essentially you're going to plug the battery in. There are two LED lights here. One is orange, one is green. Okay, when you see an orange and a green both illuminated, that means that it is still charging. Okay, when it's just green illuminated, that means that it's fully charged. Now, I just fully charged this battery separately. On a side note, I do have solar panels equipped, but I wanted to charge this battery separately. I was just doing a little bit of sort of like an experiment with it, so I charged it fully using the charger, so it's probably already charged. But like I said, I do have the solar panels, and they actually work well. I've never had to charge the batteries for any of my solar panel equipped Ring cameras, so they work fantastically, to be honest with you. I've never had to climb up and get the batteries out, but I was doing a little experiment, so I figured that I would do this video as well. So essentially, you're going to plug this into the electrical outlet. Let's just go ahead. I'll show you the electrical outlet. It's right there. Plug it in. Okay. And then we have this orange cable that attaches to the battery itself. As you can see right here, there's the port. It only goes in one direction based on its shape. Plug it in. You can see they're both illuminated because I just turned the camera on for a few moments, so probably used a little bit of the charge, but this means that they're charging. When your charge is done, when it's fully charged, the orange light will then unilluminate, so the orange light will disappear and it will just be a green light. If it's just a green light, that means the battery is fully charged and you're good to go. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.